Hey, it's Jeff with JW Designs. Thanks for stopping in and checking out the channel. Today's project is all about shop organization. It wasn't that long ago that I did a video on how to put boards on a wall. You can check that video out right here. Now we're building on that project by providing a space where we can organize a little bit in the shop, which ultimately helps us do what we want to do, and that is build things. Maybe you have some ideas on shop organization, and you can let me know what those are in the comments section below. What is it that you have done that has helped you be more organized? Let's get to that project right now. I start this project out by making sure that I get everything lined up correctly. Right here, what you see me doing is putting some screws in so that I can hang the table saw sled, which is an Incra table saw sled. You'll see that in just a moment. I got this table saw sled when I purchased the table saw. It comes with two pieces, as you can see there. I just used Torx screws for this project. It's just a matter of making sure it looks straight, and according to Duresta, it is straight. Drilling some pilot holes so that I don't split out that wide oak. When you drill those pilot holes, you want to make sure that that drill bit is pretty close in size to the size of the screw. It is not quite as straight as I'd like it, so I just simply bend the screws a little bit and voila, it's there. Next, I move on to a couple screws for the backpack vacuum. I recently acquired this. It's been a real help in the shop, simply because it's easy to carry around, put it on your back, you don't have to worry about cords. It is crucial to have a good battery for these. Anytime I'm doing layout, I try to find the center point. That's what you see me doing here. Then I know how far apart those screws need to be, so I simply measure from that center point to the point where those screws will be. I do change this up. You'll see a little later in the video that I built a shelf for this rather than the screws. It was a little difficult to locate those screws and make sure that I was able to hang that backpack vacuum on there easily.
In a world where you have survived halfway through this video, I want to reward you by giving you today's bad dad joke. I don't trust stairs. You know why? They're always up to something.
Wow. Now I'm putting the vacuum up there. Once again, I did change this design. I went with a shelf instead of the screws, and that's the beauty of this, is you can adapt this as you need. So we wrap up this project by getting several things on the wall. In the future, I will be changing a few things here, modifying a couple items. I like having the straight edges there on the wall so that I can reach them. They're protected, don't get bent. I'll be moving that heater down on the wall instead of being over where you see it right now, and cleaning up the pipes there as well. There you can see the shelf that I built. Definitely a better solution. Just a simple shelf, screw construction. Made sure I drilled some pilot holes so that once again I'm not splitting out the white oak on that. And for those of you who know your species, you know that that shelf is actually out of red oak. I love taking projects like this and improving a space so that ultimately As I've mentioned, you get to building things. That's what this really is all about. Organization in the shop shouldn't encumber you. It should really free any creator to create more. And of course, Grandpa's Workshop. Recently, put a TV on the wall. That's been nice to watch YouTube videos from other creators.
The rustic white oak has provided a natural beauty and charm to this wall in the shop. It's also provided a space where I can do a little organization, which ultimately helps me get to what I want to do, and that is build furniture and things for my friends and family, or build something to sell. Hopefully this has helped you do the same. Let me know in the comments section below, if you would please, how this has inspired you to do some organization in your shop. Or maybe you have an idea, tip and trick that can help me do some organization in my shop. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you guys have a great one. In today's project, you're going to see me video. You can get some ideas as to how to organize your shop. If this video helps you, hopefully this helps you have some ideas as to how you can organize.